Hey guys, this is Disha. So welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this painting. So let's get started. Here I have taken black color to paint the whole background with flat brush. You can take any flat brush to paint this. I am spreading the color all over the paper evenly. I have inserted the paper behind it so that the color does not get stick on other paper of this book. Now I'm going to paint branches with fine brush and for which I have taken light green color. So I'm going to, the way we make tree branches, we can make for this as well by making little strokes. We can make branches like we draw Y. We can draw it as well like a Y alphabet of English and make small Y on the big Y like that, and just keep going and make it till it look like a tree, whole tree. Then we will put some paint, white paint on it to make the flowers. So keep on going. And now we are going to make flower with the white paint, and here I have taken white color on the brush and making a dot on each and every branches. Just dot all over the branches so it will look like a flower and it will look pretty. So keep on going on each and every branches. This will make it look like a flower. Here I am making more flower on it so that it will look fuller, and I am creating more and more dots. You can put behind the branches as well on and inside the branches as well, so it will look like it is hidden by the big branches. Take some white paint on the brush and create some lines on the branches that it will look realistic. Here I have taken a wet white color on the green brush and stacking it with a brown brush so that it will create a sparkling effect on it. And here is the final painting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, then make sure to hit the like button.